What's going on, guys? Hope you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Thought I'd do a quick video on US 30 on Dow Jones to kind of figure out or explain why in the world we've rallied 6,000 points and we haven't even reached the peak of the coronavirus, right? So, what what's happening here? Um, what you can see is we had an incredible bull run for 10 years, unprecedented bull run. All right, and you can see we started to kind of top out. All right, equal highs. Another drive into the high around that psychological 30,000. All right, but what I want you to think about is in terms of the bull run, how much money is just sitting in terms of liquidity pools as stop losses, right? And how the big fish, the institutions, use the coronavirus as just an excuse to just sell off the market and collect, you know, all the liquidity within this bull run. All right, especially below this low. But I want to pinpoint one specific thing, right? I want to look at this is the weekly time frame, mind you. I want to look at the week prior to President Trump having been elected, right? October 2016. All right. November, first week of November 2016, Trump's elected. All right. So we collected whatever liquidity was below here, right? And likely mitigated out of orders, accounted for orders in this region. But you can see the inherent imbalance created from this sell to buy, where this was the last significant down close candle before the whole bull run, essentially, right? So we have imbalance in price that has been created throughout the entire presidency, throughout Trump's entire term, right? So this would be the candlestick in which orders are in drawdown, right? They sold and simultaneously bought, right? So the further away we get, the more in drawdown that they're in these orders. They're going to use, you got to think about coronavirus. What a perfect excuse to sell off the market and account for these orders, right? Do you think it's a coincidence that this sell-off from the coronavirus happened to stop right here? This very specific price point. And a lot of people who I know that don't understand technical analysis or really what drives the market, we're freaking out. I don't know when it's going to stop. How far low can we go? And I kept telling people, look, I'm looking at 18,000, right? Because I've saw this candle, right, before the imbalance move. And sure enough, 18,000 gets hit, and we have rallied 6,000 points since. So, is it the end of this bearish market? I don't know. Personally, I think we could possibly go lower, to be quite honest with you, given this structure break here. But it just goes to show, the principles of smart money concepts playing out to the T on a weekly time frame for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So, I think we could totally come into it's feasible that we come into the high created before the stock market crash of '08. Right, a simple structure. So this could easily be a pullback to continue coming down, or this could have been where they just needed to mitigate out of to further rally. So, we're just going to have to wait for more data. But I just wanted to make this video to show you how the coronavirus was used as that excuse to finally wipe out these pools of liquidity and account for the orders in that candlestick before Trump was elected. So I hope you understand the principles behind this and exactly why this happened. not because things are getting better with the coronavirus, right? They use it as an excuse, accounted for their little orders, all right, and now the market has rallied. So it's a big money ploy um, by the people who control liquidity, right? By the people who have all the capital. They're taking advantage of um, everyone who is an employee and has a 401k and mutual funds and have been told to just put away money, buy stocks every paycheck they get, and just hope and pray the market goes up. Well, anything like this can happen where we have over a 30% correction, right? And this could be a longer lasting thing. So it's just kind of a lesson to understand the powers, um, the big power players in the market, and to understand that the market can go up or down, right? And making money is based off your positioning, right? Because you can make money in a bear market just as much as you can make money in a bull market, but everyone's told to just buy and hold stocks. Whether, and people invariably end up buying high and selling low, right? So it's just a lesson, right? Where um, it's everything is about positioning. How are you positioning yourself and acquiring assets and really producing cash flow for yourself as opposed to buying and holding to increase your net worth, right? Because you can be taken advantage of very easily by the power players. All right. So, little informational, educational. Hope you learned something. Hope you thought this was pretty cool. Um, Make sure to share this with friends and family. This explains exactly why and where we rejected and started rallying. If you haven't already, follow us on Instagram, Ariel FX, Ariel double underscore FX, right? Um, and we provide signals and analysis service as well, where we send out trade ideas to VIP members and a video analysis explaining why we're getting into trades. All right. In addition, we do educational YouTube videos a lot for the public as well for free. But if you'd like to get in on the trades with us, hit us up on Instagram, Ariel underscore double underscore FX. All right. Peace out, guys.